got that on video. Dash cam lessons, baby. We don't trip. We don't honk.
Pull over?
Well, we need to see what happened.
Okay. Okay, boss.
How does the world work? Okay, shit, that will hurt me. All right, what is a bank account? Wells Fargo. Got it. This is a checkbook? Checks are stupid.
Yeah.
This is a credit card. Holy interest rates are high. Finally got a job. This is how you talk to people.
Yeah.
I think I'm awkward. I should probably go to therapy. You do all these things. Then you come of a certain age and you're like, whoa, I kind of get the world.
Mm-hmm.
And then you're like,
yeah,
and then you dive into Civil War by Ken Burns, 1990.
That's
So you wanted to be able to stretch, but then also so that's
Jesus.
what the cross-linking kind of exactly. So you wanted to be able to stretch, but then also so that's
Jesus.
what the cross-linking kind of does to the material. And with balloons, you need to be able to stretch it along.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
close it.
Agonizando del cansancio que lo hago soportar. Mirándome en el espejo, miro mi rostro todo seco, como si mi cuerpo ya no tiene alma. No recuerdo la última vez que veo una sonrisa en mi cara. Ya son muchas batallas y cicatrices que mi cuerpo carga. Discúlpame, caer tan fuerte de los malos vicios. Ya son muchos años que tengo el alcohol de mi lado, el hígado dañado del desgasto.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover it.